Electricity, you do know that I had when sitting in the Ministry of Energy chair, I sat with the county leadership from the various county in many breakfast meetings, and Rahim happened to have been in the breakfast meeting. For chair will need to look at how to harmonize the redistribution of resources to address opening. I did write to every member of parliament in May last year, chair, to look at how many primary schools or public institutions were not electrified in each constituency. With that database, we've been able to allocate money subject to meeting the social obligation of public institutions, so that if you are 100% electrified, chair, why wouldn't we give more money to Rahim or to George in Tharaka Nithi to be able to equalize and bring the whole country into an equal footing in terms of electricity or energy for all? We'll do similar frameworks in roads. We'll sit down together and map what we need to do to be able to really push the country forward. As regarding exploration of tallow and the discovery of oil in Kenya, we are at a phase called Field Development Plan. We have a big field development plan that should be coming to Parliament. It is being reviewed by the regulator. Once the regulator reviews, it will go to the minister, and within 30 days, the minister will bring it to Parliament. And what the field development plan does, Mr. Speaker, Chairman, is it looks at moving the concessionaire from exploration to production in line with the production sharing contract. It looks at the financial ability for them to build the system to produce the crude oil. It looks at the technical capacity of that farm. So currently we are reviewing the field development plan, and it will be coming to Parliament in due course to see whether we can move from exploration to production, because there is the risk of, if not properly done, moving the concessionaire and staying in production for the next 10 years. So we are